Stories for Kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Fofoy and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Friendly Dragon. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a friendly dragon named Oliver. Oliver was not like other dragons who scared people and breathed fire. He had a kind heart and loved to make new friends. One sunny day, Oliver decided to explore the nearby village. As he strolled through the cobblestone streets, children and adults were astonished to see a dragon so friendly and gentle. Oliver greeted everyone with a warm smile. The villagers soon realized that Oliver meant no harm. They invited him to their homes and they shared stories and laughter. The children especially were delighted to have a dragon as their friend. Oliver loved spending time with the children. He would take them on magical rides through the sky, showing them breathtaking sights from high above. The children laughed and squealed with joy as they soared through the clouds. One evening, a powerful storm struck the village. The wind howled and rain poured down relentlessly. The villagers were scared and sought shelter, but the children remembered their friend, Oliver. They ran to find Oliver and pleaded for his help. Without hesitation, Oliver spread his wings wide and flew into the storm. He used his strong wings to shield the villagers from the rain, and his warm breath melted the ice that formed. Oliver's bravery and kindness saved the village from the storm. The villagers were filled with gratitude, and they realized that dragons could be best of friends. From that day forward, Oliver became a guardian to the village. He protected the villagers from harm and brought joy to their lives. And every once in a while, Oliver would take the children on new adventures, making their lives truly magical. The end.